Hello everyone, my name is Aleksei, I'm a wood carver and I do mostly chip carving, which I call Zencarving. Here you can see some examples of my works and you can see that the pattern is quite sophisticated and there are a lot of small chips which are carved out. You can also see this small wooden box or another cup stand which I'm currently carving. And frequently I get a question, what kind of tools do I use? And the answer is quite easy. I only use a single knife. And today I want to show you the knife made by a Russian company, Tatianka. The logo is in Russian as well. And it consists of two parts. The stainless steel blade, which is fixed by means of these two pins to the wooden holder. The holder has a shiny polish, which I frankly don't like, but on the other side it protects the holder to be dirty. On the blade you can read the number 7, which is most probably the number of the knife. You can see also that the blade is sharpened from the both sides, and you can also note the angle, which is something like 40-45 degrees C, which is in my opinion the best for doing that kind of carving. The way I hold the knife is the same way how I hold a pencil. It's like that. And if you want to get bigger chips out, you hold it here. And if you want to make a smaller chips, you hold it here. So you can check the description below to see the links to my Instagram account, to my Etsy shop, so you can buy this cup stand, the box, or another items you want to have. And also I'm gonna drop you a link where you can buy this knife as well. And now I'm gonna show you how I actually carve. Enjoy and thank you.